everybody, welcome back to my channel, Henry Got Hustle. And in today's video I am going to be showing you guys my inventory. Honestly, at the moment I don't have a lot of shoes. I have been selling a lot of my shoes lately, and with everything going on, I don't want to purchase too many shoes online just because there aren't as many good deals like at Ross. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So this is the first pair right here, guys, Adidas Ultra Boost Parlay. Pretty nice colorway. I bought it for 50 bucks, so pretty good deal. The next one are these Nike Premier 2s. Bought these for $27, and yeah, pretty nice shoe and pretty cheap. The next one right here is a Ultra Boost Mid, and yeah, honestly I really like this colorway. It's pretty nice, and I bought these for $50 as well, so good deal. These are honestly, a lot of people don't like these shoes, but they sell for pretty good. These are the Nike Shox TLs. I bought these at Ross for 50 bucks as well, and yeah, grandma shoes, but some people like them. Same shoes right here, the Nike Shox TLs, just in a different color, also for 50 bucks at Ross. So these next couple of shoes I'm going to be showing you guys are the ones that I did buy online since all the stores are closed. So I bought these PGs right here. Bought these for like $43, I think. Pretty clean shoe, and I got it for a good deal. Next one right here is these SpongeBob Timberlands collab. Bought these, I believe, for like 50. This was more like a test because I've never bought Tim's before, and it was a SpongeBob colorway, so I thought, why not? But yeah, bought it for like 50 bucks, so not too bad. Next one right here is the Air Max 270. It is this black and gray colorway. It's pretty nice. I did buy 3 pairs of this exact shoe, just in different sizes, and I bought it for like $60 each, I think. Next one right here, guys, is the Nike Air Tempos. Bought these for like $53, $54, I think. Yeah, pretty clean shoe, pretty nice. Over here I have some baseball cleats, the Nike Air Clipper 17s, I think they're called. Bought these for like 17 bucks at Ross, so yeah, not too bad. And the next shoes I'm gonna be showing you are like the super big sizes. This one was a size 15, and bought these for 49 cents. It's the cheapest I've ever bought any shoes at Ross. And yeah, big size, but small buy cost, so I had to buy them. Next one right here was some track shoes that I bought for only $1 at Ross, and the size 15, big size again, but it was very cheap, and it did come with the spikes. Wait, where are the spikes? Oh, right here. Came with the spikes. And the last two, I am going to be doing a 2-in-1. I bought these. These were $2, and this one was $1 at Ross, and this one's an 18, and this one's a size 19. So yeah, both big, but decided I'd take a chance on them, and they're not going for that bad. This one's going for like 50 bucks, and this one's going for like 30. So I didn't think it was that bad. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy seeing my inventory and everything I have at the moment. Later on, when I progress and like buy way more shoes, I am going to be showing you guys like another inventory video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, guys. Later.